How to use AI to build a WordPress website for free. So this professional looking website was built using AI and it is completely free. So it comes along with everything that makes a professional website. When you select the blog, you see that you have your blog post right here. Okay, so look down the video description. I have a link of this in the video description. Click on it's going to bring you right here and come and click on sign up. It is free. Okay, so over here you simply have to come and then create an account. So to create an account, you can simply go to your Google, or you can simply come here to where it says sign up with email. All that you have to do is simply come and put in your email address, your first name, your last name, then you create a strong password, then you come and click on create account. After creating an account, you'll be logged into your dashboard just like this. Okay, and then to create a complete website, all that you have to do is simply come here to where it says create and come and click on create site. So when you click on it, it is going to come just like this. Okay, all that you have to do is simply come and then put in your website name just like this. After putting in the website name, simply come here to what this website is for and come and click here. Okay, so over here you have the options to come and select who the website is for or the purpose of the website. So I'm going to go with local business. Okay, by selecting it, it will show up just like this. So after selecting it over here, the next thing is the language. By default it is English. All that you have to do is simply come and then click on next. Okay, so after that, over here you have the option to come and then select any of these features. Okay, so you can simply check the box and it will be added. Okay, so when you are done, simply come and then click on the next. And over here, you have to come and then describe your website in few ways. Okay, so over here where you have the box, all that you have to do is simply say what your website is about in simple ways. And when you are done, you can simply come here to improve using AI and click on it. And the AI is going to polish it for you just like this. Okay, so after the AI has polished it, all that you have to do is simply come here and then come and click on the next. So after clicking on the next, it will bring you right here. Okay, and all that you have to do is simply come and then put in your contact details, okay, like email, phone number, your address. Okay, you also have the option to come and then add your social media handles by clicking on the plus icon. And when you click on it over here, you can come and add any of these social media handles to it. And after that, come and then click on the next. Over here, you have the option to come and then select images. Okay, you can simply put in any word and the type of image will come and you can search for it. Okay, you also have the option to come and then click on upload your own images and then can upload your own images, but it doesn't have to be more than 20, okay, at a time. And over here, after selecting the images, or if you want to select the images, you have the option to sort it using landscape or portrait. Okay, and then after selecting the images, when you come here to the selected images, you see all the images right here just like this, and come and click on the next. And then over here, all that you have to do is simply come and then choose your design. Okay, so you have the option to select either block editor, or you can simply come and then select Elementor by simply clicking on it. So when you click on it, you see that we have all the design that will come. So over here we have two forms. Okay, so you can simply come and then click on the default and you can sort it using either popular or whatever. Okay, and so over here we have two forms. So we have the premium template, okay, that comes with the diamond, and then we have the one that you can actually select, and for that one it is free. Okay, so you can select the one with that diamond and it is completely free. So I'm going to go with this one, which is without diamond. And to select it, all that you have to do is simply come here and then simply come and then click on it. So when you click on it, it will be selected and it will bring you right here. All that you have to do is simply come and then close it. And from here, you can come and then put in your own logo. So if you have a logo already, you can come and click on upload file and it will be uploaded. We also have a typography, and then you can come and then select the font. Okay, so the font that you prefer your website should have, you can select it. We have the body font as well. We have the headline font and we have the color. So when you click on the color, you can come and then select the color palette that you prefer, that you want your website to be. So I'm simply going to click on this and you will see that it is going to pick that color palette. Okay, so beside that one, you also have the option to come and then click on the home page and you can select the type of pages that you want to see before you build it. Okay, so I'm simply going to go back to the home page. Beside that one, you also have the option to come and then click on the mobile view, and then you will see how your website is going to look on mobile as well. Okay, so you can scroll down to the button and then see exactly how the website is going to look. We also have the tablet and then we have the desktop. Okay, so I'm going to go with the desktop for now. And over here, if you don't like the design, you can go back and then pick a different one. And if you're okay, you can come and click on continue. You can come and then add these features. Okay, by default we have blog added, okay, and then we have contact form added, we have e-commerce added, and all of this has been added as well. Okay, so if you're okay, you can come and click on start building, and over here all that you have to do is simply come and then confirm your informations. Okay, so the website name, the description, the contact details, and you can simply come and then click on start building the website, and that is it. The AI is simply going to build a website for you, and hooray, we have successfully built our website. So after building the website, you have options. Okay, you can simply come here and then copy your credentials. You also find it from your dashboard, and I'm going to show you. Okay, you can simply come and then click on see your website. So when you click on see your website, you see that the website will be displayed just like this. That is awesome, professionally built website. Okay, so after that, when you come here to ZipWP, that is the platform, you see that from here you have the sandbox site. When you click on it, it is going to show your website, and then from here you can simply log in to your WordPress admin. Okay, so beside that one too, when you come here to where we have the three dots and then you click on it, you see that you have all these options, but you don't have the export options right here. And I'm going to show you how to export your website for free. Okay, so the next thing that you have to do is to simply get a free hosting. I'm going to show you how to get it. Simply go to Google and then type in byte.host, hit enter, and then come and select the official site of byte.host. So with this platform, you can get a free hosting. Okay, simply scroll down to the button and then come and click on get your free hosting account. And over here, you simply have to come and then sign up for a free hosting by putting your subdomain name here. Okay, just put in anything that you prefer, just like this. After that, come and then put in your password right here, just like this, your email address, just like this, and then the site category too, you can come and click on the down arrow and can come and select for personal use. Okay, and then the site language, you can come and click on the down arrow and you can come and select the English. Okay, over here the security code, simply come and then enter the code that you see, just like this. After that, come and click on register. They are going to send you an email. Okay, and the email mostly goes to the spam, so go to the more, come here to the spam, click on it. You will see that it will ask you to activate the hosting. Okay, so simply come and then click on it, and to activate it, all that you have to do is simply come to the link and come and click on it, and it is not a spam. Okay, it is a legit platform. And over here, all that you have to do is simply come and then put in your username. Okay, they will send it to you after confirming it, and then come and then put in the password that you selected, and simply come and click on the login. That is it. You'll be logging into your panel just like this, your C panel just like this, with the free hosting and everything that comes along with it. Scroll down and simply come here to subscribe, close app installer, and come and click on it. Over here, you can simply come and click on WordPress. Okay, and you can simply come and then install it. So to install it, you have to come and then set your administrative details. Okay, so over here where it has admin account, the username, simply come and then pick an admin username. Okay, just like this. The password, you have the option to come and then highlight this and then copy it, put it somewhere you are going to use it. If you don't like it, you can come and click on the key and it will automatically create a new one for you, just like this. Okay, and when you come here, you can simply come and then click on install. So when you click on install, it is simply going to install WordPress for you within a short time. Okay, so as you can see, it is installing it and it has successfully installed the WordPress. So as you can see, we have successfully installed WordPress, and we have the option to come and then click on the link, and it is going to take us to our WordPress dashboard. So as you can see, we are within our WordPress dashboard, and over here you have the option to come and click on visit site, and we have our hello world. Okay, so now we have to import our build website right here. So simply go to the dashboard. Okay, and then over here, come back to the platform, that is the ZipWP. Come here to the sandbox site, and from where you have your website built, okay, you see that you have admin right here, WordPress admin. Come and click on it, and it will log you right inside your WordPress dashboard just like this. Okay, so what you have to do is simply come here to the plugins, come and then put the mouse on it and come and click on installed plugins. Okay, it's going to bring you right here where you have the option to come and click on add plugin. So when you click on it over here, you see that we have the featured plugins right here. Simply come here to where we have the search and come and search for Migrate Guru. Okay, so when you search for it over here, come and select this one. So this is what you're going to use, and come and click on install now. So when you click on it, it's going to install, and after installing it, come and then click on the activate. So when you click on activate, it's going to be activated and it will open the Migrate Guru just like this. The next thing is to simply come to your free hosting WordPress dashboard too, and then come to the plugins, okay, and come and click on installed plugins. You have to install that one too here as well. Come and click on add plugin, and from here come and search for Migrate Guru just like this. It will come, simply come here to where you have the Migrate Guru and come and click on install now. So it is going to install just as we installed it, and then come and then click on activate. So we have successfully installed the Migrate Guru on the two platforms. Okay, so as you can see from here, what we have to do is simply come here, okay, to where we have the copy key, and then come and click on copy. So after copying your key, okay, by clicking on copy, it is going to ask you to simply copy it just like this. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply come here and come and click on copy key, and that is it. So after copying the key, all that you have to do is to simply go back, okay, to the main one, and then come and click on yes, I have installed them both. Okay, so as you can see, we have installed Migrate Guru on the two platforms. Okay, and after that, all that you have to do is simply come and then paste the key right here. Okay, the key that we just copied, simply come and then paste it right here just like this. After pasting it, simply come here and then come and click on validate key. And the next thing that you have to do is simply come and then paste in your email address right here. It can be any of the email address that you prefer. And then after that, come and then click on initiate migration. Okay, so that is it. That is all that you have to do. The platform is simply going to import your website, the one that you have built, okay, to the new WordPress. That is the free hosting. And all that you have to do is simply come and then log in here. So to get your login credentials, simply come to the platform that you used to build a WordPress. And in front of your website, you see that we have these three dots. Come and click on it. You are going to see that we have your login credentials here. Click on it and then simply come and then copy your username and then that of your password. Okay. So all that you have to do is simply come and then click on the copy icon in front of each. Come and paste it right here just like this. Okay, after pasting it, come and then click on log in, and that is it. It's as simple as that. You can simply come and then click on visit site, and you see that we have imported our website onto the free web hosting. Okay, so that is how to do it. Like the video and then see you in my next video.